Hi, I'm Tom Shinkins from GKB Machines. We're here with the new GKB VCollector. We're going to talk through some features today of our new machine. It's a typical GKB machine, strong build. We have the parallel linkage system here, so easy adjustment on the front. We've got the new heavy-duty designed drive system, which is a new feature on all of our machines. We have a high-tip hopper at the top here now. It's about 500 litres, and it will reach up to 2 metres to tip into a trailer or a skip. So on the machine we have a stainless steel hull to help with the cleanliness of the finish. We also have a new rotor in here, which will have 2, 3 or 4 mil blades at 25, 50, 75 or 100 mil spacings. We're running here the VS 120 at approximately 15 mil. Looking at removing up to 7% of the surface area of the green, working at about 5 kilometers an hour today. So the machine will work faster if the conditions allow, but this is a fairly optimum speed. So we're just opening the hydraulic tipping hopper on the VC 120. We also have this machine available in a 1.6 meter working width. That'll be the VC 160.